This video tutorial will show you how to customize USPS shipping labels, using ELEX WooCommerce Stamps.com shipping plugin with USPS Postage. If you have a USPS EVS account, you can make use of our ELEX WooCommerce USPS shipping plugin. But if you have a regular USPS account, you can make use of ELEX WooCommerce Stamps.com shipping plugin. With the ELEX Stamps.com plugin, you can generate USPS domestic and international shipping labels as well as custom declarations forms. The first step is to enable real-time rate, as this setting will help you to access live rates and services from Stamps.com. This setting is available in the general setting of the plugin. Tick the respective checkbox and save the settings. To start customizing the USPS shipping label, go to the Label Generation settings. Among the various label generation settings, there are 4 settings that specifically allow you to customize the shipping labels. The first one is the Print Label Type settings. This setting allows you to select the desired format for printing the shipping labels. Our ELEX Stamps.com plugin provides 4 formats: PNG, GIF, JPG, and PDF. You can choose the desired label type. If you select PDF, you will see an additional setting that allows you to select paper size of the PDF. You can use the default size of the printing paper, letter 8.5 by 11 type, or use label size of 4 by 6 inches. Next up is the print layout setting. Here are all the print layouts provided by the plugin. You should note that the availability of these layouts is dependent on the shipping services and label formats. You can read the video transcript to understand each print layout in detail. The link for which is given in the video description. If the store owners wish to hide the actual postage charges in the shipping label, they can tick this setting to do so. The postage charges will be applied but not shown in the shipping label. The next setting is the time zone offset. This setting is helpful in changing the shipment creation time to the desired time. You can add time, in minutes, that will show the shipment was created to a later time than the actual time. Or you can give negative time by prefixing with a minus sign to the time to show the shipment was created way before the actual shipment creation time. In addition to this, you need to provide sender details like name, address, email, and contact number. This address helps in calculating the shipping rates and will also be printed on the shipping labels. For demonstration purpose, let us select the PDF option, select label size as the paper size, and select the print layout as normal 4 by 6. We have also added 1440 minutes, which is equal to 24 hours, as the time zone offset and disabled the hidden postage setting. Once the shipment is created, you can see the shipping label and notice the applied changes. As configured, the postage charge is not hidden, the shipper address is shown, and the new shipment creation is reflected in the shipping label. The actual shipment creation date was on September 17th, but the above shipping label shows September 18th after adding the 1440 minutes of time zone offset. Therefore, in this way, you can customize USPS shipping labels using ELEX WooCommerce Stamps.com shipping plugin with USPS Postage. If you don't have the plugin, purchase it today at elextensions.com. You can follow the link given in the video description to explore more features of the plugin. Go follow us on our social media channels, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos related to WordPress and WooCommerce.